Hello YouTube, this is Dr. DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul from my favorite spot, Tuesday Morning. And I'm just going to jump right in and show you what I got. This is the pink paisley Pick Me Up sticker set 105. Got some cute little scenes, got some Polaroids and different items up here. Some food, flamingo flowers for $1.99. 2122440. Even got some sentiments back here that says sunshine, happiness, always, blue skies, wonder, believe, dream. So various types of things there. And then I picked up a couple things on clearance. So they put out a lot of clearance at all the stores this past week. So this was a Heidi Swapman for $2.99, and it was 20 or 40%, I don't remember, whatever it was something off. This said the little eyelashes, it says need more sleep, perfectly imperfect, overwhelmed, underwhelmed, do not disturb, what is a crazy day, just some little fun little stuff that was on clearance. But if you want the number, is 202-8318. So on clearance. These are on clearance as well, and I have a couple of these. So the other ones would go in my little swap box or giveaway box. But these two were 60% off, and I think these two were 40% off. I got these two at one store, and then I saw these at the other store, but they were all different. So this is the Imagine, the Happy, the Bliss, and the Document. And again, sorry about the lighting, it's dark, but it's nighttime. So they were all on sale and clearance. So the Imagine, just in case you want a number, was 1929996. The Happy is 1929996. Oh, they actually have the same thing, the Imagine and the Happy. And then the Bliss, okay. Oh, and the Bliss and the Document have the same number, 1936488. Interesting. But anyway, they were all on clearance. Like I said, these were, I think these were $1.79. I think these were $2.19. So it still was a good price because they were almost $5. So that was good. I did pick up these Amy Tangerine. I thought these were just so cute, and I love the faux leather and the arrangement of colors. And I like Amy Tangerine anyway. Her bow is $2.99 and 215-0205. Already made up with this foam on the back. So a couple little ephemera packs, and this is a Dear Lizzie. Let me see the go for, and it's $219-215-1020. And you can see it's got some llamas up here, some animals, a couple of numbers, some Polaroids, and some tags. Again, sorry about that lighting. This goes with the sticker set. The girl, the paper pad, I got it in the 6x6. I just forgot the name of it. Old Girl or something it's called. But I was glad to get these because it's got all these images in it. The Pebbles paper pad. I know you know what I'm talking, the name of it. Girl Squad, that's it. 215-4781. So these are the Girl Squad puffy stickers that go along with the paper pad. And there's plenty of Pebble stuff for the last, I guess, week or two. So this one is Oh Summertime, 215-4809. And so you got bumblebees and crabs and tacos and flamingos and suns and pineapple and soda pop. That's your summertime and your summer colors. And then this one, $1.99. Wait a minute. Why was that? Oh, it's $1.99. I thought it was $2.19. $1.99 too. And this one is Oh Summer, 215-4808. And so on the back you can kind of see the little swimmers and beach themed stuff, beach balls, jellyfish, that kind of stuff. Got some Bo Bunny stamps. I just love this foliage that you can use in the background in so many different ways. 206-5220, and it's called Floral Flourishes Stamp. I thought this was really fun with the balloon dog. Says hooray, celebrate, birthday wishes, birthday girl, happy birthday, birthday wishes, celebrate, birthday boy.